Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to make a video about my car. So near the gear shifter, somebody asked me that if their paint is peeling off from the plastic trim in the car, and I'm gonna show you it does peeling off from my car as well and for his car as well. Somebody asked me on the YouTube, so I'm gonna show you where it's peeling off and I have a solution for it. This is a fake carbon fiber sticker I'm gonna apply here, and yes, it's fake, but at least it's gonna protect my car. And the car is almost 2 year old, so in 2 years the paint is already peeling off from inside the car and from the plastic trim, which is kind of bummer. The quality is going down of Honda, and the good thing is I did not have any mechanical issue so far with engine or transmission. I already put 25,000 miles on the car, and in the May it's gonna be 2 year old. And yeah, so that's about it. Let me show you where the color is peeling off and see how we can fix it. So if you look at here, you see that this is where the shifter area is. Come on, focus. So yeah, so this is the shifter area, and this is where the color is peeling off from the corner. As you can see here, you see that the color is peeling off and the black is showing from bottom. So I'm gonna put this fake carbon fiber in the whole trim here until in this area if I have enough, because I use somewhere else in the house. So yeah, so I'm gonna remove this what I installed here. This is the lighting, so I can properly put in the corner the carbon fiber. So hopefully I can put this back in easily. So for this to open this corner trim, you're gonna need to have this. Let me show you. You're gonna need to have this tool. See, this is a thinner here. It's quite cheap. Come with this cheap carbon fiber thing, so I can open this edge properly and I can install this back properly. So let's see. I'm gonna install now, and then I will show you how it looks after installation. Alright guys, so this is how it looks right now after installing. It was pretty hard because of the corners are pretty hard, and I have to make a couple cuts here because it's not very flexible vinyl. It's just a sticker type. But I would suggest definitely you have to have a heat gun with you, otherwise it will not be like this. So I used a lot of heat gun to remove the wrinkles. So yeah, this is the final product. So what do you guys think? There is a lot of reflection. It's not bad, it's a reflection, and in person it does not look that bad. So yeah, I have to protect these edges where the paint was peeling off. So I'm gonna install here. Here it was fine, but I had a little bit left, so I put it there. And yeah, this is the final look of it. Tell me how it looks. And if you have more question about the 2020 code, do let me know in the comment below. And soon I will make the review of the seats cover that I bought almost 2 years ago. Still holding up pretty good. I will show you the whole car seat covers and how they're performing so far. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.